Let's start with the Product Review Generator, a tool that creates a complete SEO-optimized product review in seconds. Simply enter the product name, description, features, and price. AI will craft a professional review with a catchy headline, engaging introduction, clear pros and cons and facts section, and a strong call to action. For example, if you're promoting wireless earbuds, AffiWriter AI will highlight crystal clear sound, long battery life, a compact design, and include a direct purchase link to drive conversions. Next is auto creation content, designed for social media. Enter your product name, target audience, and keywords, and AI will generate a complete 7-part post, a strong hook, the problem, your solution, benefits, social proof, a call to action, and a closing statement that leaves an impact. With Top List Article, you can quickly create list-style articles such as Top 10 AI Marketing Strategies to boost sales. Our SEO tools help your content stand out in search results. Enter a keyword, and AI will generate optimized title ideas and meta descriptions designed to increase click-through rates and improve search rankings on Google. Email Writer is your secret weapon for high-converting email campaigns. Provide your product details and audience, and AI will create a full sales email, a curiosity-driven subject line, warm greeting, product introduction, main benefits, social proof, special offer, call to action, and APS to create urgency. The Quick Creative Tools bundle includes Caption Generator for catchy social captions, Script Generator for full video scripts with scene breakdowns, CTA Generator for powerful call to actions, Hook Generator for scroll-stopping openings, improve content to enhance existing text, Problem to Product for turning pain points into solutions, Fact Generator to address common questions, and Customer Generator to create detailed customer personas. With generated image, simply describe your idea and AI will turn it into a high-quality visual perfectly sized for each platform. Optimizer image compresses files, changes formats, and adds SEO-friendly alt text. CTA image lets you add compelling text overlays to any picture, turning every image into a sales tool. AffiWriter AI's upgrade packs open new business opportunities. The Resell License Pack lets you sell AffiWriter AI as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. The White Label Pack lets you rebrand the platform with your own logo, colors, and domain. The Image Enhancement Pack unlocks all image tools. And coming soon, Video Content Maker to turn text into professional videos, and Post Scheduler to automate multi-channel marketing. AffiWriter AI doesn't just help you write, it helps you sell. Start your free trial today and experience the true power of AI-driven marketing. Visit now and turn every idea into profit.